for me personally, I know that I carry my village with me everywhere I go, and a part of that village is my school. And I think that being the voice for those whose voices aren't necessarily already heard is something so huge to me. And I just think that it's such a great, cool role to be a part of, especially in terms of making a change. I think that was one of the highlights of my years here at AGGS, being a peer mentor to my year 9 class. But they're year 10s now, but they still text me or say hi to me around the school. And I think that it's such a privilege to be able to be that person that they look up to and honor in a way. But it also helps me keep myself in check so that I conduct myself the way that I want them to conduct themselves. And I really enjoyed this experience. I think AGGS is infamous for the woman that they develop in terms of confidence and strong will, and being surrounded by that type of confidence. And I think kind of that domino effect, when you're surrounded by like so many happy people and like everyone's laughing, then you want to laugh. It's like everyone's confident in the room, so then you have to be confident. I think we have a fair amount of different cultures and different people from different parts of Auckland coming together at one school. I think it also opened my mind to new perspectives of life, especially knowing that the way you see the world is based off of how you've been brought up, especially like the environments that you grew up in. No perspective is a wrong perspective. It's just that people just see the world differently. And I like how AGGS has been that school known for diversity and known for shaping individuals that can adapt in any situation. The best thing about AGGS is genuinely the sisterhood. A lot of our girls have very strong work ethic, and I think that work ethic, like being surrounded by those type of females, really pushed me to be the best version of myself. And I can't say that I would have been able to step into this role if I wasn't surrounded by that.